Namaste everybody, my name is Subhash Sinha. I'm the General Manager for the Westin Kolkata, the wellness brand of Marriott International. As you can see, the team is all set and geared up to welcome you back. Let me give you a little bit more insight towards how we prepare ourselves to welcome you back. Thank you.
Namaste from Westin Kolkata. Creating an experience of fortified wellness takes each and every member of the team to strive for the same common objective, safety for you. Before you have landed in the city of joy, our clinical approach to sanitization is activated. We first start off with an extensive sanitization of high contact surfaces like the elevator buttons with Virex 2 by Diversey. Our team thoroughly cleans each surface that a guest may interact with. Post the elevator, the room is taken into consideration for sanitization. We sanitize all surfaces in your room with color-coded fabrics to ensure consistency in surface cleaning across all rooms. Before your vehicle departs to receive you at the airport, our chauffeurs ensure that all the surfaces that you will be in contact with are sanitized like seats, door handles, inside and outside the vehicle. On arrival, you will be received with a warm namaste and a smile that is masked behind a personal protective equipment. Our chauffeur will provide you with Softcare Med Plus sanitizer by Diversey along with a PPE kit for you. After seating you in the comfort of your pickup vehicle, the chauffeur will sanitize your luggage using Virex 2 sanitizer. On arrival, as you are escorted to the entrance for thermal scanning, our valet team will sanitize your luggage once more using Oxivir 516. For self-driven vehicles for your safety, our team will escort you to a dedicated parking space. Post thermal scanning, our check-in process will be completely hands-free. Our front desk staff will check you in with a mobile key through the Marriott Bonvoy app. As you settle into your freshly sanitized room and enjoy the panoramic view from the Westin Kolkata, be rest assured that every corner of your room has been thoroughly sanitized. Our sanitization protocol is a stringent one that is dispersed through each member of the team. With personal protective equipment kit for the safety of our guests and staff, your experience at the Westin Kolkata is the same, as always, warm, meaningful and memorable. Our staff undergoes strict thermal scanning and is provided access to multiple sanitization touchpoints through a training program that exists across the hotel. Fresh produce is used in our kitchen, which is sanitized using Suma tablets by Diversey before being cooked. Post cleansing, the produce is prepared into your favorite dish. As the day comes to a close and you settle in for a drink safely crafted by our mixologist, your favorite food is delivered to your room with minimal contact by our associate. We want to let you know that your experience at the Westin Kolkata is carefully curated and thoughtfully executed. Our services may be contactless, but our hospitality is heartfelt. We look forward to welcoming you back at the Westin Kolkata.
For your safety, we have identified 180 key touch points so that you can travel safe again. We care.